So many moments of frustration saved. I wish I'd known that there was a way to center text vertically on a page instead of hitting enter, 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 and then typing. Think title pages, handouts, flyers. Well, Word has three basic types of formatting. If you go to the home ribbon in the font group, these are all options that apply to individual characters. In the paragraph group, these options are related to every time you hit enter. They're more about the spacing. How do you see spacing? You turn your show heights on. The information about paragraphs is stored in this character. I can also see more things. I can see my document formatting. If you go to layout, you will see options in the page setup group that apply to the margins, the orientation, the paper size, and the columns. Remember, these are all document formatting. So when you apply them, they affect the entire document. So if I apply columns, I just made my entire document 2 columns. If that is not what you want, what you do is you select the section that you want to apply that formatting to. Now, if I go up to columns, go to 2, and what you'll see happen, because my show heights are on, is that the computer created a continuous section break, which makes this section the exception to the rule for document formatting. Now, how does that relate to my page with the vertical formatting? I can do the same thing here, but it's hidden in the dialog box launcher. So go to Layout, Page Setup, and the dialog box launcher. Inside the dialog box launcher, there is a Layout tab, and I can choose to have this information about vertical centering apply to my whole document, or if I had selected a section, just that section. But what I'm after is vertical alignment by default is placed at the top of your document. If you want it to be in the center of the page, you need to switch this to center. Then you can click OK. Then it doesn't matter how much information is on the page. If I take information away or if I add it back in, my document is still centered in the middle of the page. So many moments of frustration saved once you understand document formatting.